one of the most powerful rooms in Washington, the US Senate. Because sometimes the biggest stories are not the ones where officials give the answer. The biggest stories are the ones where they refuse to answer. This week, America's top defense officials appeared before lawmakers to answer questions about the Iran conflict. Senators wanted to know just one thing: is Iran really fighting this war alone? Or are powerful countries like Russia and China quietly helping Tehran behind the scenes? The question was direct, right? But the answer was anything but simple. US Defense Secretary Mr. Pete Hegseth, he claimed that both Russia and China are supporting Iran in different ways. However, when lawmakers asked exactly how, he refused to reveal the details. And you know what was the reason here? Two words: national security. In the meantime, General Dan Kane, chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff, also chose not to discuss intelligence publicly. He warned that revealing sensitive information could expose American military capabilities and their intelligence method. Now, for a second, can you think about what this really means? If two of America's biggest geopolitical rivals, they are indeed helping Iran in any kind of form, this conflict is no longer just a war between Washington and Tehran. It becomes part of a much larger global power struggle. And of course, the Pentagon has not publicly shared any evidence explaining the nature of or maybe extent of that alleged support. And until more information becomes available, many important questions that remains unanswered. But one thing is becoming increasingly clear: Tehran's war, it is no longer just fought by countries standing completely alone. Behind every major conflict, there are alliances, intelligence network, diplomatic partnership, and strategic interests that often remain hidden from the public eye. And that's exactly why this Senate hearing has attracted global attention. Not because of what was revealed, but because of what was left unsaid.